Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to buy USDT, Tether, on Trust Wallet. Step by step, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Trust Wallet app and ensure it's updated to the latest version. Step 2. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to search for tokens. Look up USDT and enable the versions you need, such as ERC20, TRC20, or BEP20. Step 3. Go back to your main wallet screen and tap on the USDT token you want to buy. Step 4. Tap Buy. You'll be redirected to a third-party provider like MoonPay, Simplex, or Transact. Step 5. Choose the amount you want to purchase and carefully select the correct network, ERC20, TRC20, or BEP20, based on where you plan to use the USDT. Step 6. Follow the payment instructions using your card or preferred method. Step 7. After payment is confirmed, the USDT will be added to your Trust Wallet. Tip: double-check the network compatibility before sending or receiving to avoid losing your funds. That's it. You've now bought USDT on Trust Wallet in 2025. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.